Welcome the new day with a smile on your face, love in your heart, and good thoughts in your mind. Have a wonderful morning. We, the students of class 4th, are here to present the annual function. The topic of our annual function is Sharing Brings Happiness.
Prayer gives us a chance to express thanks for the things that God provides. So get ready for the Hindi prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Guru Re Vishnu, Guru Re Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Re Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave So today's thought is the best way to multiply our happiness is to share it with others.
Discussion is a type of discussion that involves people sharing ideas. So some of my classmates are here to present their views on the topic Sharing Brings Happiness.
Hey, did you like this piece, Bila? Can you sit over here?
Hello, Dia.
Hi, friends.
Wow, look at all this cool stuff. Man will be surprised when she will see how many toys we have brought to donate.
It looks like lots of people have brought toys to donate.
I think it's nice to share toys with other kids who don't have any.
Me too.
Hello friends.
Hi, Ganesh.
Wow, so many toys. I think Karagam it's your favorite ball. Why it is here? We all have brought our old toys. We want to share them with others who do not have any. But why? They will not be able to pay us.
Sharing is not all about money or wealth. It's about kindness, helpfulness, given service and love.
Sharing is one of the most important skills we should have.
A child who knows how to share is well loved by other people around him.
Sharing can help in building healthy relationships with friends and peers.
By sharing, we will be able to put a smile on the face of these children.
These children will be happy and we will also feel good.
Sharing teaches children about cooperation. Okay, now I realize it is not what we take, but what we give that makes us rich.
So friends, always remember, sharing can make a difference to others, and in turn, we achieve lots of happiness.
Dear friend, sharing is the master key to success in all spheres of human life. So everyone should develop it.
Thank you. Now we are going to depict a story where we do malfunction.
There was a boy who was very rich and clever. He had practically everything a boy would ever want. So he was interested in the most rare and curious objects.
One day he went to the market with his parents.
Father, please look there. Where? Please see that strange old man. He must have something special to sell. I want to see it.
Okay dear, let's move. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Welcome to my shop. What are you selling? It is a beautiful mirror. You would never have seen such a mirror in your life.
Can I see it?
No dear, you can open it at your home only. Let's move ahead. You have so many things already.
Father, please buy this mirror. It has something special. Okay, please pack this mirror and take this money. Thank you, sir.
The boy was very happy to have a special mirror. He kept the mirror in his room very carefully. He curiously unpacked the mirror.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I have never seen such a mirror. But what is this? I am smiling, I am happy and making funny faces, but the mirror is showing my sad face.
The boy went off to buy sweets. He came home happy and looked into the mirror, but his image was still sad.
What a terrible mirror. It's the first time I have seen a mirror that does not show my real face.
Fed up, the boy stuck the mirror off in a corner.
That same afternoon, he went into the street to play. He took money to buy some eatables. On his way, he saw a little boy who was crying heart out.
Mother, where are you? Father, where are you? The boy is crying so much and looks lonely. I should help him. Why are you crying?
I lost my parents.
Don't cry. We will search for your parents.
Together, the two boys set off in search of them. As the little boy stopped crying, the rich boy spent his money in buying sweets to cheer him up.
Are they your parents?
No, they are not my parents.
They are my parents. My son, my dear son, where were you?
We have been searching for you since a long time.
I have lost my path.
Okay. Thank you, my dear son.
Welcome.
Thank you, my friend. I will never forget you.
Welcome. Goodbye.
The rich boy said goodbye and walked off towards his home. At home, when he went to his room, he noticed something strange.
There is shining light in my room. I should see. It is coming from the corner where I have kept the mirror. Wow! Today the mirror is showing my happy face. Now I have understood. This mirror shows the true happiness of the owner. I helped the little boy, so I am truly happy today.
The real happiness is invisible to the eyes, but is felt by the heart.
Thank you.
The strongest form of magic where word fails, music speaks. So, let's enjoy a group song.
need to be concerned for every woman, child and man. Share whatever you can. Help to a person in need. Then you will be happier and a better person indeed. Sharing is caring when given from the heart with pleasure. The good returns are many and the rewards are without measure. Goods given freely brings a smile to a needy person. Holding back when you can give will only continue to worsen. Thank you.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul of the body. It refreshes our mind. Now we are going to present a group dance.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों भी के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों भी के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुरा दो हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबरा दो बाय 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 बाय।
Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love me जिंदगी। हो प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो, हे प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो, हे प्यार बांटते